If you have tomatoes, cucumbers, green onion, and 5 minutes, you can make a traditional Ukrainian summer salad. Slice tomatoes like that. Slice or chopped the cucumbers. It's pretty small, so you can do it like that. If you have a big cucumber, of course, you should slice it different way. Chop the onion. Some salt. After that, we pour some unrefined sunflower oil. I have some. It smells so good. Pour it. Toss everything together. Look at that. That's it. Beneficial and delicious.